A very good morning to all my dear students. Hope you all are fit and fine. In previous class, we were studying about chapter number 1, that is creating web pages in HTML. So today also we will move further in this chapter only. In the previous class, we have studied the introduction to HTML and the basic HTML elements like HTML, head and body. So the basic HTML elements has two types. First is container element and second is empty element. So that this all we have studied in our previous class. In this class we will continue with the base font element. The base font element is used only once in the whole document. It means that in the whole document only one time you are able to use this base font element. It is used to change the font size, color or face of a document. Like a font element, base font element also has three major attributes. The first attribute is size, second is color and third is face. So we will discuss about the first attribute, that is the size attribute. This attribute is used to change the size of the base font. The default value of the attribute is 3. So what is the default value of this attribute? That is 3. And its value range is 1 to 7. It means that the valid range of this attribute is between 1 to 7. The following command will change the base font size to 7. So what is that command? Base font size is equal to 7. Okay, so you can increase the size of your document or text up till 7 and you can decrease it till 1. Okay, so if you want to change the size of the text or the entire document, you can use the command base font size is equal to the valid range from 1 to 7. Now, the second attribute is color attribute. This attribute is used to change the color of the text. It means that whatever text, which color you want for your text, you can change that color using this color attribute. Colors can be set either by using one of the hexadecimal RRGGBB. It means red, green and blue. Triple values or color names. Base font color is equal to blue. If you want to change the color of your text or the entire document, you have to write the command base font color is equal to, then the name of that color should be in double inverted commas. Okay, is it clear? Now we will move further to the third attribute, that is the face attribute. This attribute is used to change the typeface or the font of the HTML document. It means that typeface means you can change the writing of your text. It means it can be in Arial, it can be in Times New Roman, it can be in any form. It means if you want to change your text, the writing of your text, you want to make it in an italic form, you want to make it in other writing forms, then from typeface you can create that the writing change in your document. Okay, so let us see an easy example of it. HTML, starting tag, then head, then title, my page, then title close, head close. Now in body we have to write this all attributes. It means the size attribute, color attribute and the typeface attribute is always written inside the body section. So here we are writing body. Base font color is equal to blue. Face is equal to Arial. It means that we are making the typeface is equal to Arial and size is equal to 6. It means that everything should be written in double inverted commas. For example, the color attribute blue, then blue is needed to be written in double inverted commas. In the same way, Arial and the size is equal to 6. So the Arial and 6 should also be written in double inverted commas. Now I am learning to use the base font element. It means that you want to perform this all operations on what? So the line is that I am learning to use the base font element. So this line will perform this all attributes. It means that the output of this line will be shown as per the following attributes we have given above. Now the body element or the body tag will be closed and at last the HTML tag will be closed. Then you are able to see the output here. See, the color we have chosen blue. So the text is written in the blue color. You can see the text Okay, are you able to see this text? It is written in blue element. So the blue color. Why? Because we have selected color attribute is equal to blue. And the size we have selected 6. Therefore, the size is of 6. Clear? And it is written in Arial form. It means that the typeface is Arial. It means a normal text. Okay? Are you all able to understand this? Fine. On running the above program, you will get the output as shown in the figure 1.2. I have already shown you the output. So, that is the output of this code or this HTML program. Okay, now we will move further to the other elements that are BR and HR elements. Both BR and HR elements are empty elements. It means that it is having only an open tag. No close tag is required for these elements. The BR tag is used to provide blank lines. It means that BR tag, what is the full form of BR? Break line. It means that it will provide us the blank line. It means an empty line. The HR tag is used to insert the horizontal lines with the specified thickness. It means that HR, it means horizontal row or horizontal line will be there with the specified thickness. How much thick you want that the line to be, you have to give that number, so that with that specified thickness the horizontal line will be there. The following code inserts the blank lines in the HTML document. Again we will understand these elements with one example. So first HTML tag is used to open the document, then the body tag is used coffee. Then after coffee BR, it means that one line will be dropped, or the blank line, it means that the new code will be started from the next line. After that T, again BR, it means that after T also that line will be stopped and the next tag will be started from the next line. Then juice. And finally the body tag is closed and the HTML tag is also closed. On running the above program, you will get the output as shown in the figure 1.4. So now we will see the output. First, here coffee is there. After that we have write BR. It means it will break that line and continue with the next line. After that T is written in the next line. After that again we are using BR code. So again that line will be break and the next line will be continue and the next text will be continued in the next line. So here also coffee, tea and juice are written in the separate lines. So it is done by using the BR code. It will provide us the blank line. It means that it will stop writing the text in the same line and it will be continued with the next line. Okay. Clear. Chalo. The following code represents the horizontal line with 3 attributes using the HR tag. Okay. Size is equal to value. It increases the size of the line vertically. So now we will again understand this in more detail. So first is size attribute. So it increases the size of the line vertically. It means that the size is increased vertically. Then width. It means that it increases the width of the line horizontally. The size or the length is increased vertically and the width is increased horizontally. Then color. It changes the color of the line. Now the following code uses the HR tag. As we have understand the BR tag, now we will understand the HR tag. So the HR tag, first it will start with the document HTML. Then the body tag is used and inside the body tag the H1 tag is used. Why? For the heading. H1 align is equal to center. It means that we are writing the heading in the center position. So we have set the align into the center. The following line has size 4 and width 18. What we are writing? The following line has size 4 and width 80. Now H1 tag is closed. Now we are using the HR tag. It means horizontally to create a line. HR size is equal to 4. Width is equal to 80 and color is equal to green. Okay, again H1 align center. Again we are creating a heading and again we are giving it an alignment to center. The following line has size 8 and width 100. H1 tag is again closed. Again the HR tag is used. Size is equal to 8, width is equal to 100 and color is equal to blue. Now the body and the HTML tags both are closed. On running the above program, you will get the output shown in the figure 1.6. See, we can see the heading and it is in center. The following line has size 4 and width 80. So, can you see that horizontal line of green color? Yes. So, it is 4 it is 4 and width it's 80. It means that it is short. Then after that the again code is written using the HR. The following line has size 8 and width 100. So you can see that line, blue line, bigger because its size is also 8 and width is 100. It means that it is double, not double because it is double in size. The green line is of 4 size and the blue line is of 8 size. So the blue line is double in size and the green line width is 80. It means that it is bit small horizontally, not vertically. Width it means horizontally and size it means vertically. Okay, so the width is 80 and the blue line width is 100. So the green line is bit small or the 20% small than that of the blue line, and vertically it is double than green line. Okay, can you understand the use of HR with this example? Okay, fine. So now we will move further to the P element. P element, it means paragraph element. It is used to create the paragraph. A web browser ignores all the blank spaces, but whenever a browser notices the paragraph tag, it inserts a blank line and writes a new paragraph. The P tag in HTML tag is used for inserting a paragraph break at the given place in the text. The P element has an align attribute which take the three values center, left and right. It means that the P element is used to create a new paragraph and it has three attributes. First is center, left and right. So you can start writing your paragraph from the left corner, from the center or even from the right side. So now we will understand the P tag in more detail. Starting with HTML tag, then the head tag is used, then the title is our earth. It means that we are writing the paragraph about earth. Then the head tag is closed and finally the paragraph tag is written in the body tag. So the paragraph tag is started and the paragraph is written about the earth. Earth is one of the planets of the solar system. Our earth is the third planet from the sun. It is about 3 times as large as Mercury. Here the paragraph is closed. Earth looks blue in color from space. This is due to the presence of water on its surface. It means the paragraph tag starts with P and it ends with /P. After that the two lines are written. That is not the paragraph. It is written outside the paragraph. Finally the body tag and the HTML tag is closed. You can see that output in the figure 1.8. See, you can see that paragraph tag, earth is one of the planets in the solar system. So after finishing that paragraph, the next line is starting from leaving the one line. You can see the space between the two paragraphs. It means that the first one is the paragraph and the second one is just a text written. Okay, so after finishing the paragraph, you have not given any BR or HR tag. Then also one space is left and the next text is starting from the next line. Okay, so that is the use of the paragraph. Is it clear to you? Fine. Now we will continue with the center element. Okay, so what is a center element? The center element is used to place the content in the center between the start and the end of the block. It means that every content is placed between the center by enclosing the content with angular bracket center and closing with angular brackets /center tags. The text or embedded objects such as images can be easily placed in the center of the document. So if you want to place some objects or images, then you can place it in the center tags. The following code explains the use of center tag. First, starting with HTML, then body, then in heading it is written. So H1 center, safety and first aid. Okay, for first that is an heading. For example, if you don't want to give an alignment, then you can also use that center tag in place of it. So here in heading tag, the second tag center is given to write the safety and first aid in the center alignment. Okay, more accidents can be prevented by the following basic safety rules to save the life of an injured person. First aid is very effective. Now the body tag and HTML tag is closed. The more accidents that is written is just the text. Only the center alignment or the center tag is given to the safety and first aid. So now you can see the output that the heading is safety and first aid and it is written in the center alignment. It means that the text is written in the center. Why? Because we have used the center tag. If you don't want to use the center tag, then you can also set the alignment to center. But instead of setting the alignment, we are writing the center tag to keep the text directly in the center position. And afterward that paragraph or the text is written. No paragraph tag is used, just normal text is written after that center alignment heading. Okay, this is all for now. We will continue with the creating list. It means how to create the list in the HTML in the next class. Till then, bye bye. Have a great day ahead. Study well.